In this tutorial, I'll show how to create an announcement and send it to your parents or your students. So you'll start from this screen here, the opening screen, and you'll click on the plus sign and then click on Send Announcement. Up here, you'll choose who you're going to send it to, and I'm envisioning sending announcements to my parents most of the time as reminders, sometimes just students, but most of the time it's going to be family members. So I'll choose all students and family members at this point because I don't have family members loaded on here yet. I'll go ahead and type my announcement. Maybe it will be remember to, type correctly too. Remember to bring a sack lunch for our field trip tomorrow. See you in the morning. And then click Send Now. If you'd want to add an attachment, perhaps it'd be the reminder of the field trip. Maybe it would have been a note. Could add a note here that says, our field trip to the zoo. Wear tennis shoes. Pack a lunch. And maybe no electronics. Click the check in the top right hand corner. We'll add this to our note, and I could either voice record it or go ahead and click the green check, and that will simply attach the note to the announcement. It's uploading, and then here's the announcement already, plus the note is attached right here. Once everything is checked out, you click down in the right hand corner where it says Send Now, and it will send out to all of my students and my families.